Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. KNUM successfully advocates changes in KHADC policies. dbmnTv Ribhoi District hosts National Deworming Day. District Sports Officer inaugurates 29th District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2024. And first Kanshi Prelim Inter-School Sports and Athletic Meet 2024 kicks off after 20 years. And now the news in detail. On April 24th, 2024, representatives from the KNUM met with the Chief Executive Member CEM of the KHADC Panyat Singh CEM to address pressing issues. They proposed the elimination of a trading license held by a non-tribal individual, Singhania, pertaining to a contract at Nigrim's Hospital. Additionally, they advocated for renaming Khanapara and Ribhoi district near the Assam border to a Khasi word, reflecting the region's native identity. Thomas Pasa, speaking on behalf of KNUM, confirmed that the CEM had acknowledged and accepted their requests, signalling a positive shift in KHADC policies.
CEM Banda Shupai Din Kundian, Hakani Katung Baladeb, Nila Wani Kandu, your Deputy Director Admin Joganigrim. The Jelly Kandu, Jongi, the Hanor, the Khubor, the Jongi, but done away Ubamday Ukasi. Ulayo, Yaganega, contract, Hangtepo, Nigrim. But Umdon Yaganega trade license. The Habangi Kalino, Deputy Director, Uangba, Kila Ayakataka contract, Henry Kanigrim, Kalabata, Khuborjylla, Bondachim. Yaka trade license na Police Council. Tinakalenga jungi ngwani kandu mtas ni ba panyai dakawai ka jingtumu ka basai ba nakalenga jungi katkum ka jing ibor jongka section ka ba 3A subsection C jongka trading by non-tribal regulation uni Khuborjylla umdei banyo yakani ka trade license. But ngila terpadu yai CEM Boran ba in pano daka weka communication daka city sepo kanigrim bana kdo sai kedar ba ka district council katkum kicing aibor jongka kamla ban ai trade license yung Khuborjylla nomor kidon khasi kibarala menteri kene kam kadlong ka babakala ba khasi undo ya kontrak hari la jong undo karun yo bar khasi unumla ban yo kontrak sepo ngoti sepo asal sepo kolkata terter ni kadikata kajing tubat ngi ai khulai iba penyai du iba la sim kai kane manna kalian kajung imador ila ong ba inpa ka city siapa deputy director admin jong ka nigrim bat kinsa ong ni ba ka KHADC kamla ban ai trade license ni ubure uba khot Singhania ubalayo ekne ka kontrak hangte po nigrim ka ba ar pada ngi penpam ko jung sokya ba hadin bangi yo jing tiap ba uni Singhana ulayo ini kontrak apa negeri ulah mundur ban be kami kasih bala teri lupang the pi tekane kalau kaba solusi anu kata daun nak kalian kajungi ngin yang campaign manang ni sekamat ni apa perman baik hukum gini gibreu kibakni ya kabala jongi kasih hari jongi kata daun ni kumkan lembahan jong pikiran partai Khubor ni kuar banai kalau Khubor segi baik ba lara pidan jengte bau nu karudon batrai khang bat trade license lara pi bun kam pentip yang ingin le ya bodon kam karena ngabangin penkuision plon ya kane ka jing kai be an jong Khuborjylla la kata bun pau snam ha kane ka ri ka jongi kane de ka jing ka par ka jongi gidan ka kanhun jong ka street itu jong kanam ka ban sim khai kane kam nang kaman ban pentik na tang gawai ba hakikat tu kat ne banagi banwan ba barok kini ki ba khai be an kinto lun ba du khasi un yo ban bala lai lut ban kamai lai lut habo kari la jong ke kabar pada kamat kabang ye keren bat i CM kolong bang ila syai jimot ba ngidei ban penkala kerteng no ya kane ka khana para syak kerteng ka kentin khasi pirma teng ngia keren yo pur usa no ka kerteng kala dei lupa da kerteng Khuborjylla te ka bang ngin kam try ya ketika jaka. Na kata-kata no kalian ngajongi yang ba ai no da kentin khasi ya kene khana para. Khang ba kan scam kata ka jing long nong kenti ngajongi ya la ka jo ya lo jong purusam. Banda hak ba de ba kene bentang ba pada gila ada bang bangin sa ai de ka jing tho sa CM bat ila kerpat wa le sila dan kono suggestion ka kerteng ka kumno in ai na ngin saya perkat nak kalian ka jong iru bat ngi ai jimut ki pai baru dan ki pai ba ki kam tip ya ka tenrai ki ba nadu kulong komar ki suthu ai ne jaka khamtam ki ru temen ki rang ba kila ban approach ka council ban ai jimut ru da kono ka lenti ba kani ka kerteng ka bolong ka basang nongrim kani ka kerteng ka bayaham bangin pen kalai ni ka khana para ita ka di ka ji kono ka jong i mentak ski bat ni CM
Jakam bau ni sebenarnya yo bau ni games.
Kani ka kam ka bau ni senghania uyo ya ka laundry outsourcing. Mot kadang ko ki laundry service yang tiap ni grem ki outsource by ban one side. Kita ki ba side kita ki ba trai ni kam laundry ki kasi. Tekani ka dei man system ka yai ka renewal ni contract ban mencuar ki kasi babat. Ke ka solong ba udu no tau kasi uyo no do ni ubam dei kasi menta mat kadang ko mga la batai mana ba kadang ko jing tu ban weng wat kasi atri ya kena kam hang tie pot negeri la bon senam bu
Ke respon do siapa?
ka respons ka jong ba pne ka long ba positif bang sukunat ba iru ila ong ban simkia mardori na ka district council kin tha da ka jing tho spok negeri ba ka district council katkum ka jing aibor jong ka section 3A subsection C jong kan trading by non tribal hak kendai pasan pusau ka barat kedau saya kedar ba ladon ki khasi ki barala menteri ni kam omla ban ai trade license su dakhar tekin pentip ya kane sa po panigram ban ong saya kedar ba yau ni usungani yang ngimla ban ai trade license kanang ba kanigram kan chimi ki senjang buran kam ban ai no ki khasi bada ya kane ka kontrak
On April 24, 2024, the Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, dbmnHO in Ribhoi District, orchestrated a program commemorating National Deworming Day at Jubilee Presbyterian Secondary School in Mapadang, Saiden. The initiative extended across various Anganwadi centers in different localities where deworming medication was dispensed to children aged 1 to 19 years. These centers emerged as pivotal facilitators in ensuring widespread deworming coverage among children in diverse regions. The event underscores the district's commitment to promoting children's health and well-being through preventive healthcare interventions. The Office of the District Sports Officer DSO in West Khasi Hills District kick-started the 29th District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2024 on April 24th. The event commenced at Nongpathar Stadium, Pendengray, West Khasi Hills, where Mr. Lakador's Aim, Commandant of the 4th MLP Battalion, took charge as the chief guest for the inauguration. Among the attendees were BSAIM, DSO West Khasi Hills District, DSO office workers, teachers, students from various schools and other invitees. The event promises to be a platform for fostering sportsmanship and camaraderie among the district schools.
Khasi Hills kabalatip ru kum ka 29 district level inter-school athletic meet arhajar arpusaw. Yakate kalumpong ngayo aban penlong hapo nong Pathar Stadium hakas nong Pendengray West Khasi Hills hakaba uba Lakador CM Commandant ka 4th MLP Battalion ulalong kumukongsan ban wan pli perda yakate kalumpong. Hakani kasi la sakhiru da kajingadan lang ka kong BCM DSO ka West Khasi Hills District kinong tray ka office DSO kinong hikay ki khana school na ki school ba pair but kiwe ki bala sha khat sngob ha
to get more marks. If today my teacher has appreciated my assignment, as the chief guest of this inter-school district athletics meet, when Kong's aim called me, it was indeed a really happy moment for me to accept her invitation, because I believe that we all can make a difference to the lives of these children. Though you know that as police personnel, we have a lot of duties and responsibilities to fulfill, but I made it my mission that I should be here this morning with you, because I remember myself as a schoolboy in the sports meet that I used to take part in school and in college. In sports, the ability to embody these three things that I talked about: faster, higher, and stronger. This comes about from practice. This comes about from perseverance. If you look at athletes all over the world, if you look at athletes from the state, if you look at athletes from the district, they embody this spirit. Hardworking, perseverance, and listening to their coaches. Consim has already talked about how sports reflects on your life too. How life and sports is part and parcel of one basic element. The second part is sportsmanship, as she talked about. Sportsmanship is not only about competing with other competitors, but it's also about competing with yourself. The ability to be better than yourself. Today, I ran 10 seconds. Tomorrow, I should be able to run less than 10 seconds. Today, I jumped 4 feet. Tomorrow, I should be able to jump more than 4 feet. Today, I carried weight of 25 kgs. Tomorrow, I should be stronger and carry weight of more than 25 kgs. Sportsman spirit and sportsmanship is an integral part of sporting activities and is an integral part of your life. Not only to be better against other competitors, but to be better against yourself.
After 2 decades, the Kanshi Pilun Sports Association marked a significant milestone on April 24, 2024 by inaugurating the first Kanshi Pilun Inter-School Sports and Athletic Meet at Umsoit Ground. 3 secondary schools along with upper and lower primary institutions enthusiastically participated in the event. Mr. Marking G. Lingdo, Managing Director of Kanshi Trading Private Limited, had the honor of inaugurating the event amidst the presence of the association's organizers, teachers, students and supportive parents. The occasion heralds a renewed spirit of sportsmanship and community engagement in the region.
Ngang suban ai Khubor piki ba penyaja kini ke program kum kini ke program kilong sibenta ban ai ban sim ya piki kena bat napleng jung pi don hang ne ne por ban sibenta ke jing le kai reng so ban ong ba barok ba pi sibenta hang ne ban le kai.
Today in the Kanshi Pilun Sports Association Inter-School Sports Meet 2024. I do hereby promise to take part in this event with the true spirits of sportsmanship, that I will conduct myself in manner of discipline, fair play, and respect the sports and my fellow competitors, and that I will compete in the way to uphold the dignity and value of the role, even for the success of our goals and the glory of the sport. Thank you.
Video merin mujara.
Viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.